Oh my gosh, I don't know what we would do without EMC right now.
We are excited that we are partnering with EMC at Hermitage ACE Center.
They have been phenomenal partners to allow our students to come in. They're working side by side with them. They've donated supplies.
I don't think there's another program in the country that will walk away with the skill sets that these students will have by the involvement of EMC working with us on doing this.
But they also learn about the next generation
What are the other options to success?
so that the business itself can be more successful as the new kids come on.
And this is a perfect example of the power of our business partners. EMC is coming in, working with their students, teaching them, and then coming back and making sure they did the work right.
Because that gives them this real world experience so that we can actually get the doors open and have more students come to our ACE Center.
The value they bring to the table cannot be replaced.